What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I'm just gonna make a quick trading video. So let's get started. Who don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm a break and retest strategy trader. So right now I'm gonna take a supply and demand area. I'm seeing right here like beautiful push up, like very strong candles, and broke this high. So the price action kind of came back to our supply area or demand, I don't even know how is it called, and kind of break the EMAs. That's like 100 and 200 EMA, and right now it's being rejected. Yeah, so what am I gonna do? My plan is if it's gonna reject, yeah, and it's gonna break this candle high, I'm just gonna take a long. I'm gonna put it like that, and I'm gonna take 1-to-1 risk to reward first target. Yeah, it's been a small rejection, but not that crazy. If the price action was gonna move up and break this candle high, I'm gonna take 1-to-1. If it's gonna break to the downside, then it is what it is, and it won't be no trade. So let's see how everything was gonna develop. Yeah, guys, so basically we do have here a kind of a rejection or something like that, so we still in our supply zone. If just in case this candle will gonna close like with the rejection, you see right now it's got a small rejection. Right now we're gonna take over this candle. If just in case it's gonna break this candle, I'm gonna take long, and the trade will gonna look something like that, but we'll see how everything will develop. Yeah, guys, so we might gonna have to enter here a trade. We had a beautiful rejection and now break of the high. So am I gonna, let me enter just one more, just to, so we're gonna targeting a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. At a 1-to-1, at a 1-to-1 I will have to take some partial profits, and then I'm gonna let it ride, because we do have on this scenario clean price action, clean candles to the upside up to this zone, and here we go, and here we still got the imbalance. What I don't really like in this setup, just because does not have the bottom wick, do not have it, which is bad. But on this candle I'm seeing here a small candle, so that's the thing, because I'm not sure like which is gonna work out, which not, but we will see how the price action will develop. Let's just see how everything was gonna work out, and I'll keep you posted. Guys, so real quick update, yeah, the price action kind of reject this area, yeah, but the thing is, because I did not close the trade yet, only because when I checked the 1 minute, yeah, I was seeing this inverted fair value gap, or whatever it's called, yeah, and the price action beautifully came back, retested, and kind of tried to reject, but it was kind of showing some sort of rejection. But right now you see it's going to the downside, so most likely it's gonna be a loss. But let me see. Yeah, and the price action literally just broke the 1 hour candle low, so that's a bad sign. That's a bad sign. Most likely the price action will gonna hit our stop loss. Yeah, I do really think the price action is gonna grab the liquidity, and most likely it's gonna go to the downside, but man, it is what it is. It is what it is. Kind of wants to reject, but Yeah, man. Nah, I'm out. I'm out. Doesn't look good at all. So that's the thing, guys. If you don't feel comfortable about the trade, just get out of the trade and that's it. Simple as that. And sometime will happen this stuff, like the price action will gonna hit, you're gonna make you feel uncomfortable on the trade, you will gonna close the trade, and then the price action just will reverse and move to the upside. So there's nothing what we can do about it. You can re-enter, but I rather just stay like that and taking a loss and to come back next day or something like that. I was looking maybe from this area to take a short, but we will see if the price action will gonna come back to this area. But for now, thanks for watching me and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.